Hi again, welcome to day 32 of distance learning. Today we have reading, writing, and math. A friendly reminder to send me a writing activity of your choice any day this week. And for today, I do want to see the math activity or Envision pages. Your child can upload it to Google Classroom or you can send it to me yourself. Either is fine. Just make sure it gets to me by the end of the week. So for reading today, students have the choice of a few reading activities, but I'd highly recommend they read Tommy Meets a Dinosaur Part 2 or a fiction story because they'll need it for their reading response for writing today. Again, they can pick a story of their choice, but Tommy Meets a Dinosaur Part 2 works especially well with the writing activity. So again, if they can access that, I would just have them read that. If not, just a fiction book with a problem and a solution would be just fine. For writing today, they will use the strategy called Somebody Wanted But So, where they write a short summary of Tommy Meets a Dinosaur Part 2 or whatever fiction story they read. So they'll be answering these questions, kind of filling in the blanks. Who is the somebody in the story? What does he or she want? And then, but what happened that got in the character's way? So that's the problem. And the so is like the solution. What did the character do about it? They'll fill in the blanks here, so it's pretty much just one sentence. It's pretty quick. So it's especially important that they're using correct capitalization, punctuation on this reading response. For math today, we're focusing on line plots. Watch this quick video about line plots. It's a type of graphing. For the activity for today, they'll be looking at this line plot example, and the activity is more about analyzing the graph itself and collecting like what they can learn from that data. They're not creating a line plot themselves, so they're looking at this line plot and seeing what they notice, answering these questions in their notebook. If they'd like to do the Envision pages, it's a little bit more about creating a line plot themselves. Instead of just analyzing the data, they're collecting the data using measurements, putting it in a table, and then also putting it on a line plot. So it's definitely a bit more intensive, but it's also a great crossover of skills, including measurement, reading the data, and using that data to create a line plot. So again, it will take a little bit more time, but it's a really great opportunity for students to apply this skill. And when they're finished with that, they can do the fixed add-in war with someone or get on Greg Tang or another math game of their choice. So that's it for today. I hope you guys are having a great week so far. Please email me with any questions at all, and I look forward to seeing your child's work.